Hey, I just want to give you a quick look at these new black fiberglass diamonds that we just put inside of our gas fireplace. As you can see, we put them in just as like the base layer around our new ceramic birch logs, and I think they look really nice. Right out of the bag, they already look super glossy and like perfectly cut, which was really nice. So even when the fire's off, they still kind of catch your eye. So far we've had zero issues with them, and the bag actually gave us more than enough to cover the entire base around our logs, and the pieces were all really consistent in size, so no weird shapes or sharp pieces were mixed in. I'd say the main reason we went with these ones is for the look. It seemed like all the other options out there were like those tiny round glass beads that kind of look like something you would put in like a fish tank. These ones are just a little more unique, and they kind of have like a gem-like shape to them that just feels more modern and clean. Now when the fire's on, the black color doesn't overpower the birch logs. It just kind of adds that subtle sparkle that catches light from the flames. And during the day, they still look great. That glossy black has a bit of reflection to it, but not in a cheap, like glittery way. So honestly, the black color looks even better in real life than it does in the picture. I think it gives this whole setup like a modern vibe without looking too cheesy or trying too hard. So I'd say if you're trying to dress up your fireplace without overdoing it, these are perfect.